everybody, welcome back, or hi if you're new. I'm Feb, and today we're looking at a new palette from Charlotte Tilbury. It's been out for a while and I have put off buying it because I just didn't feel like I really needed it, but then I saw some swatches and thought, oh, maybe I actually really do need it. So we'll get down and have a closer look at this and swatch it out. I have used it twice. I'm wearing it today, I wore it yesterday, and it is excellent quality, as you might expect, especially for the price of £49. Ouch. For 9 shades. Okay, so here's the palette close up. It's super pretty, isn't it? I have two of them already, the cool toned one and this pink one. This surprised me. I didn't expect to love it as much as I did. I suspected I might. But yeah, I just adore these. There's a massive dip in that shade. I use it often. And the pink. Yeah, I didn't expect to love them as much as I do. Certainly, when it comes to her formulas, the mattes in these are called silk mattes. In her Christmas palettes from a couple of years ago, these Beautyverse ones, she's called them future mattes, and they are definitely a different formula. Personally, this is the formula I absolutely love the best, the future mattes, but this silk matte is absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, it's so easy to use and so easy to blend. So let's just swatch this out for you. So 5 mattes, 4 shimmers, and they really are super, super silky. I mean, just lovely. And a really nice gradient of colour here too. As you see, it's a bit of an awkward swatch. There we go. I used this shade yesterday, so only twice I've used this palette so far, but yeah, excellent. These are small but versatile, you know. And there's the deep brown. Excellent. Okay, so the shimmers, this one at the top, super beautiful. It's quite piecey. It's not at all squishy or emollient, and it gives a gorgeous sparkle. This one in the middle underneath that is very satin, as you see, but a lovely colour. So if you don't want the impact, then this one's just super for you. And then this I wore yesterday also, and you can swatch it for days. It's copper, but it's also kind of pinky. Very, very lovely. And then last but not least, the one that I'm wearing today is this super sparkly one, which is just a wash of sparkle. You wouldn't even know it's there until it hits the light, and then it's like, wow, you know, that is so gorgeous. I love this palette. I'm so happy with all of these. I would definitely recommend them to anybody that wants something that's easy to travel with, is super simple, and you're going to be able to get 3 or 4 good looks out of this, and your eyes won't look exactly the same every time. There's a really nice gradient here too. So yeah, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Do let me know, did you pick this up? And I will see you soon for the next one. Take care, stay safe everybody.